This Havoc vision is the future of trading. Check this out. In this video, we're going to go through the Havoc Dapp. We're going to go through the whole process. Havoc is a multi-wallet trading platform that automates your trade to make things easier in control and get that profit though. So let's break this down right now. Okay, so we're going to go through the steps step by one, and we're going to get the thing set up. All right, getting set up. So the first thing you want to do is connect your wallet. So right here, I'm on the website of the Dapp. I'm going to connect my wallet at the top right, and I'm going to use MetaMask for this example. Get wallet, MetaMask should be good to go. So I have my wallet already ready to go at the top there. Okay, so that's what it says. Connect your wallet right here. Connect your wallet with the wallet application of your choice. The next thing you want to do is the wallet portal. Okay, so this is going to be really important for your wallet settings and your wallet management portal. So here we're going to click right there, just like the instructions. Okay, and so we're right there. Let me see if it's asking anything else. The next thing you want to do is generate. Now you can do a maximum of 10 of the sub wallets, which is going to be very, very important. Now what I'm going to do is click on track, and I'm going to use 𝐒𝐿 as an example for this. Just use an example. Okay, so let's use an example here, and I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to click on there as well. Track. All right, adding 𝐒𝐿 to your wallets. Token tracker updated successfully. So I'm adding in this through the Dapp here. Just an example here. I had it up already. Now here I can generate multiple wallets, just like the instructions said here. Create sub wallets maximum of 10. All right. So I can generate up to 10. You know, that's one right there. There's another one right there, and there's another one right there. These are wallets. So, and from here I can top up ETH. So I can put the amount here. I can add ETH on any of these wallets by going through the process right there. Also can withdraw ETH. Let me go ahead and zoom in just for a moment so you can see this. They even have private keys, and also I can delete the wallet. So prime example, look at this. Delete, it's gone. Generate, comes back. And this is to activate the wallets. So if I want to activate the wallets, I click on that toggle right there. Now, topping up, we just went over the topping up, which meaning you can go ahead and add ETH into the wallets. We just did that there. And it says you can click on the top ETH on your wallet to target a specific wallet. So you can do that as well. And then from here, it says select your wallets. We just did that. That's just right over here. We will select all three of them. That's how you set it up. So it's pretty simple and very easy. And then from here, I'll go ahead and go back here, back pedal on this right there to get back to the main page, and voila, I'm back to the main page here. And from there I'll have another area that I can go through. Now the next thing that I did was I click on the multi-wallet config, and you can actually set up all of these things up. Here's the 𝐕. If I want the 𝐕, I can set that up there. Okay, the auto sell, which I think is a really cool features that allows you to go through the process all here. Especially, reason why I like the auto sell high tokens, stop losses. You can set up some stop losses, very simple and very easy on the auto sell. I got really excited about this when I was going through the process. I'm like, man, you can set all this up very simple. And over here, you have the default sniper settings, and you can do that as well. You can go ahead and activate the default sniper settings. Okay, this is the slippage, and this is the GWEI, so you can set those up as well. Right now it says live ETH base, very high gas price, ETH gas tracker, click there. So ETH gas prices, I can click there. Look at this, and it breaks that breakdown, which I like, low, average, and high. So it's let me know exactly what the process is in terms of the Ethereum gas piece. Okay, now from here, it's very simple. I'm still on the focus mode. And let me go back to the instructions here. Focus mode, right? Now, this is where you enable traders to trade with multiple wallets, which we basically have to set up. The only thing we would have to do is add ETH in those wallets there. Now, here that you see on that area, I can come back here and I can click on anti-rug. I have the gas already set, and there's 3 wallets activated. Now I can execute a buy or I can scan the contract, which I like this part here. Scanning the contract allows me to look through the contract for anything that I see that I like or don't like. Or I can see some things here that I may need to go ahead and research more. Now from here, it says 10 pass, 5 fail. So the failed here, I'm going to look through here and say, all right, should I trade this or not? And that's why I will go back to Dextools and do my research and all that. So, and from here, it gives you the symbol, the number of holders. That is badass right there. Gives you the number of holders, purchase tax rate, also the sales tax rate as well. Man, it gives you all the information here. It's really this, and it's kicking it right here. I'm on Dextools. It gave me 7% here, 8% there. That is fantastic, just to kind of show you that in real time. All right, let me go back and exit here. And from here, I can execute a trade with this actually address here from the focus mode. Now, transactions is going to show you all your transactions that you've done. The mass sell, which is pretty cool, or you want to sell on all the bots that you can do there. And you can stop all as well. You can basically stop everything as well. Now, according to these instructions here, let me zoom here. It basically breaks down making a trade, all right? Which pretty much all we would have to do is execute because everything is basically on. We would just have to add the ETH. Now, this is what it looks like in terms of managing your trades. All this on your actually wallet information here. And then also you can manage it from there as well, which I think is really good. Now, the block 0 is another area here, which is a Havoc mode. I like this part here is because if I'm trying to execute a buy here, I can go ahead and target things as well. I'm going to click there one moment. So target, obviously the token. It got the supply, the reference percentage, but here I can set a minimum tokens to buy. So if I want to minimum buy this with this limit here, I can go to a sniper mode to go ahead and do this as well, or auto mode, I should say, and execute this as well. This is really good for traders. I would say this here is really good for people who trade on a daily basis. It really breaks it down. You can go back here and you can change your multi-wallet configuration. You can go back here, generate another wallet, or I can say, you know what, I want to go ahead and use Havoc. All right. So the contract address, how I do, I just go here. I'm kind of old school. So I'll just go here. So if I want to go to Havoc, I can just say, hey, let's go to Havoc because it's Havoc. So I can go back over here, address, input token address. I can scan it. I can kind of look through the situation here. So let me delete all those. I can regenerate all of them again. And then basically I can go back. Okay, it's top ETH, claim tokens, things like that. I could claim our tokens, unclaimable tokens. But we can kind of do that there as well. That's all through Havoc. And I can go through the process as well. So it's pretty simple and very easy. I would suggest you to take it slowly here. I just do multiple contract addresses just to kind of show you what you can do. But I like the fact that it can do this. Let me go ahead and delete this. And check this out. I'll delete all of these here. All right. And then I'm going to generate a new one here. Generate. So generate a new one here. Track it. I've got that already there. And voila. And then from here, contract. Sure, to scan Havoc. Scan the whole Havoc. That's pretty cool. So right now, 11 pass, 4 fail. And I'm all set up here. I had to change that because it had the old contract address in there as well. So take it slowly. I will have this information at the bottom of the video, the tour havoc.rip. Go through this process here. We went through 3 steps here as well for snipers. Is give you more additional information as well. This is a handy guide. I did read through this like 10 times to go through this process here. Havoc is definitely a place where traders dream, in my opinion. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Havoc, check out Havoc out when you get a chance to. Also, you can activate these just like this, anti-rug and a method snipe, which is really, really good, especially if you want to do multiple trades. And let's go ahead and enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.